guys. Yeah, I just finished my laundry. It is outside. Yeah, and I cooked the rice. But yeah, I feel like going to the water this time. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 hours before my duty. Yeah, I'll be working today from 2 o'clock until 2:30 until 11 o'clock. Look at this car, looks classic, nice. There are many hotels here in Nelson Bay, like that one that is Mantra Aqua. In Dubai, during summer, more crowds than this one. I am planning to snorkel here. We are at the Fly Point, and this is actually the designated snorkeling area. Scuba diving also. So as you can see, there are many people down there. Some are with their kayak, and some are already snorkeling, swimming, sunbathing. I actually have my snorkel thing in my backpack. This is the GoPro Hero Session that I am using before in my vlogging, because when I first arrived here in Australia, I was using the SJ4000. It's a very cheap action camera that works like a GoPro. Yeah, that was nice because that is the one that I am using in Dubai, and then in Europe, and in Southeast Asia, and in the first quarter of me when I arrived here in Sydney. That is also the one that I'm using, the SJ4000. And then when I got the money, I decided to buy this GoPro Hero Session. And until I think first quarter of 2017, my birthday, when I bought this GoPro Hero Session. And this is nice. The only thing that I don't like here is the wide screen. You cannot make a linear. Yeah, so wide screen is good for wide screen, but you see the curves, and I don't like that. But the video quality, the battery life is good. Yeah, better than battery life of the GoPro Hero 5 and Hero 7. This Hero Station is nice. Until now it's still working, and this is the one that I'm using for underwater. That's why I bring it today. I remember that when I was young, me and the other kids, until high school, yeah, me and the other guys, we go to the like a bushland, and we climb in the trees. We are scared in the snakes and other things like that, and we are playing in the broken trees like this. We are running. Sometimes we are playing like trying to catch each other in the the house that is without walls. Yeah, an abandoned house. Yeah. It was fun. There is guy doing the paddle boarding. Looks easy. and there are people there kayaking, and some people there on the shore. This is how it looks like up here. Here we are going back now. Walking in the water down there is not really good. I'm not prepared. I'm just wearing this, so I'm not going to do snorkel this time. Yeah, we're going to the other side of the beach. More and more people are coming here. A lot of people already there, a lot of children, and there are more people here. Amazing. Sorry. Thank you. You know, this crowd happens only during summer, but if it is always like this, for sure more establishments are keep on growing in here, and it's going to be like a amazing city. It will be like a Manly, yeah, Bondi, something like that. Amazing. Maybe Gold Coast, something like that. I failed to get into the water. Maybe tomorrow. There is a fish market in this area. We're going to check and maybe buy some prawns. Yeah, you have a lot of choices you get in here. I just got some marinated prawns. I took the marinated one because you know, I don't have any other ingredients at home. I don't have any seasoning. I have just soy sauce. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, I'm just going to saute this marinated shrimp, and I will show you some of the things that I have here. Look at this. This is the premium original Nabesco. Yeah, thank you for recommending this. Thank you for telling me that there is something like this bread. This is the one that is like Skyflakes. I will show you. Skyflakes is this. Yeah, a brand of you know, a crackers in the Philippines. It is very much similar to the taste of this one, Nabisco Premium Original. Yeah, thank you. I forgot your name. And this is going to be my lunch today. Do you know this? This is a ginger ale sweeps, dry ginger ale, ginger ale. Yeah. I remember that when I was in Sydney, I was living with Emil and Carmel, and the other guys, they are living in the other house, but walkable. And I always bring something like this, the big size, going to the other house, and then in the night we are eating. We are eating there. Abi, he always cook something Filipino food. Nice. Good morning, guys. Yeah, at the time now is 9:56, and I'm cooking this. And this is fried rice. I have this already, the leftover rice. I already put here some soy sauce, and I'm going to put it here. Yeah, we are going to work now, and yeah, the time now is around 11:20. Good morning, sir. Yeah, we're just hanging out here because you know, I cannot do vlogging on the road. There are so many cars in the street. Yeah, dangerous. So yeah, of course we are considerate. We always consider the, you know, the situation, the environment. We consider the safety of others, and of course my safety. Yeah, we vlog when it's safe. At the moment, a lot of people there, a lot of swan. People are having a picnic as usual. Tonight will be the separation of 2018 and coming up the 2019. So happy new year to all of you. Yeah, this is going to be my third year of celebrating New Year here in Australia. Yeah, the first 2 years was no, the first year was in Sydney, and yeah, I am supposed to go to the, you know, because the center of New Year in Australia, in Sydney, is in the Circular Quay, in the Harbour Bridge, and in the Opera House. But you know, I didn't able to make it because they closed the Circular Quay. If you want to see the actual New Year celebration, you need to come early, and yeah, before they close the entrance. And then last year New Year was here. I was working and I checked in the center in Nelson Bay, and there is nothing. Yeah, fireworks starts early and just that, nothing more. Most of my New Year happened in the Philippines, and it was, I would consider again as the happiest. I don't know. Okay, we took again later because we are in the road. There are many cars. Still a lot of people are having picnic. Yeah, you see those cars. There are many, and also again another family here celebrating something. And then in the New Year of 2016, I was in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Yeah, I was there because we came from travel in Europe and then around Southeast Asia. And then in the New Year of 2016, I was in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Nothing special. They have the fireworks within the Petronas Tower. Yeah. And then the rest of my New Year from 2009 to 2015, I was in Dubai. New Year in Dubai would be one of the best because, you know, they have this building, the Burj Khalifa. I am actually working before in Armani Hotel, and the Armani Hotel is in Burj Khalifa. Yeah, and during New Year we are inside of the building. And you know, the building, this 160 floor building, is covered with fireworks. Yeah, and we are inside. Before 12 o'clock, I mean before like 11:30, people are not allowed to get out of the building because of the danger of the, you know, the fireworks shrapnel. And if you check in Google or in YouTube, you're going to see these amazing fireworks of the Burj Khalifa. Yeah, around Dubai you're going to see the fireworks in Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is the like a 7-star hotel. And then the rest of my New Year was in the Philippines, in my province, and then in Metro Manila. In the province, it is happy because, you know, in the center, not in the center but on the main street of the neighborhood, it's bad because, you know, the people are burning a rubber and they throw those fireworks. It is happy but it is bad. And then in Metro Manila, yeah, there are like celebration in the street, and then fireworks in different places. And if you are living in the high-rise apartment, you're going to see the whole Metro Manila covered with fireworks, and it looks amazing. But again, it's bad. Bad for environment. Yeah, so tonight will be New Year. Welcome to 2019. Happy New Year to all of you. Yeah, if you want to change your life, sometimes you need to change your country or change the place. Yeah, thank you for watching and Happy New Year.